I just got a message from my new dude. Where you at? Question my blues, clues. I sat in the house and he said come through. I jumped in the car and it was zoom, zoom. I think I pulled up too soon. I just sent a message saying get me from the front.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. It's been such a long time. I haven't filmed a proper tutorial, like a makeup tutorial for you guys. Today I am going to teach you guys how to do a brown smoky cut crease glitter makeup look, and I just love a good brown smoky eye. Few people, whenever you are trying to do your makeup, especially beginners, they always think, hey, let's just go for something neutral, not very heavy or not very colorful. I am such a person. I always love a good brown smoky eye, and that's the reason I'm going to show you guys how you can do it and also how you can do a cut crease as well. So yeah, if you are interested in watching this video, then please keep on watching. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Let's get started. Okay, so as you guys can see that I already did my brows off camera. It's like the same thing again and again, so I just thought of doing it off camera. Today's eyeshadow palette, I'm gonna use this one from Rouge Cosmetics. Is a brand new eyeshadow palette. I used it once, the brown smoky eye look. I'm gonna use this brown shades, and also I'm gonna use the shimmer shades as well. Also I have a little bit of glitter to use, so yeah. So I'm just going to zoom you guys in a little bit so that you guys can see what actually I'm doing. I have my mirror with me. The shade that I'm going to use is this one right over here, and this is called Snaky. It's such a like everyday neutral kind of shade, which is really good. Actually I don't need mirror. This eyeshadow palette already have a mirror, so that's a good part. It really costs for rupees 2000. Obviously they have to give me a mirror. So as you guys can see that my eyeshadow base is already done. I just used a little bit of concealer, and use eyeshadow base if you want to. So I'm just going to take a fluffy brush like this, and I am going to blend the eyeshadow right over here. It will be in circular motion. The more you blend, the more perfect your eye makeup will look.
My ego, no one ain't sick cause I get hoes. I got niggas that empty and reload. Gotta keep heat cause the streets cold. My young bro keep it pissing like D-Rose. I feel a ball, like they not guarding me.
This is going to be my transition color, as you guys can already see.
It's on the tracks and it came from the heart of me. Me and my niggas came up from the bottom. If they gon' fall, then they know that I got them. Nigga, I'm solid from winter to autumn. Yeah, yeah. Oh, like a vet, no freshman. Hold start and they stare when I step in. And I'm good where I go and I'm checking. God with me, so I'm counting my blessings.
So the first step is done. Now I'm gonna take a little bit of deeper brown shade, just like this one right over here. Take the same brush, and I'm gonna blend right over here, like just right over here.
I get hoes, I got niggas that empty and reload. Gotta keep heat cause the streets cold. My young bro keep it pissing like D-Rose. I'm in the truth and no
I'm just gonna make this area a little bit more deeper. And I'm gonna take a little bit of small eyeshadow brush, and I am gonna take the same deep brown color, and I am going to use it right over here.
That's not lovely. I shoot my shot like a free throw. Young bro and I'm pulling the free hoes. Born this shit, yeah, she knows. That's why these hoes blow on my ego. No one ain't sick cause I get hoes. I got niggas that empty and reload. Gotta keep heat cause the streets cold. My young bro keep it pissing like D-Rose.
We are done with all the blending, so now I'm gonna cut my crease. This concealer from LA Girls, and you guys know this is such a iconic beautiful concealer. So I am just going to take this much, the small flat brush like this, take a little bit, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start from here.
Gotta keep heat cause the streets cold. My young bro keep it pissing like D-Rose. I feel a ball, like they not guarding me. My circle small, my people a part of me. Still my blood like I just cut out arteries. Dropped the mud like I was doing pottery. It's on the tracks and it came from the heart of me. Me and my niggas came up from the bottom. If they gon' fall, then they know that I got them. Nigga, I'm solid from winter to autumn. Yeah, yeah. Oh, like a vet, no freshman. Hold start and they stare.
Cut crease looks like, even if it's not perfect, just don't worry, because you are obviously going to blend it out with some brown eyeshadow as well. Blending brush like this, a very small blending brush, and I'm gonna take the same transition color that I was using. I'm going to smudge the edges.
Hoes, I got niggas that empty and reload. Got a key here cause the streets cold. My young bro keep a pissing like D-rolls. I'm in the truth, ain't no cap for nothing. I earn my shit, I ain't ask for nothing. I don't play tens, but rest keep on coming. I have the pack, no gas or nothing. I put the man on track, I'm running. All my bitches got ass and no stomach. She wanna kick it like she just punting. Shorty keep shaking that ass and I love it. I shoot my shot like a free throw. Young bro and I'm pulling the free hoes. Ballin' this shit, yeah, she knows. That's why these hoes blow on my ego. No one ain't sweet cause I keep hoes. I got niggas that empty and reload. Got a key here cause the streets cold. My young bro keep a pissing like D-rolls.
I am officially done with all the blending. Now I am going to take a shimmery shade. I can see a lot of fallout. I'm going to take this shade right over here. This is kind of a golden shimmery shade. And this is known as Glamorous. I'm going to use that shade all over my cut crease.
I got niggas that empty and reload. Got a key here cause the streets cold. My young bro keep a pissing like D-rolls. I feel a ball, like they not guarding me. My circle small, my people a part of me. Still my blood like a...
You can absolutely stop here and you can use some eyeliner and some falsies, or you can use your mascara as well. But I just want to be a little bit extra, so that's the reason I'm going to use a glitter. And oh my god, this is almost broken. I purchased this glitter palette from Cosmetic Hub. It's an Instagram store and this is like 100 rupees I think. So I'm just going to use this shade right over here. I'm going to use my fingers and it's very chunky, so you have to be really careful. I'm just going to press it a little bit. This is what my eyes are looking right now and I'm so happy with how it actually turned out. I'm going to use my moisturizer from Garnier and I'm just going to use it all over my face. Now I am going to use my Rimmel London Match Perfection foundation and this is in the shade Light Nude. It's a little bit light for me, but that's okay. We are going to manage it. For my concealer, I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me concealer and I'm just going to use it right over.
Cause I get hoes, I got niggas that empty and reload. Got a key here cause the streets cold. My young bro keep a pissing like D-rolls. I feel a ball, like they not guarding me. My circle small, my people a part of me. Still my blood like I just cut out arteries. Dropped them out like I was doing pottery. It's on the track and it came from the heart of me. Me and my niggas came up from the bottom. If they
I'm gonna take my Maybelline Fit Me finishing powder and I am just going to use it to set my
and I'm good where I go, ain't no check-in. God with me, so I'm counting on my blessings. And that nigga fuck with me, I'ma bless him. Fuck nigga, my crew keep a effing. And on top of that shit, nigga, I wanna check, nigga, I wanna stop my investment. My shot like a free throw, young boy, and I'm pulling the free hoes. Ballin' this shit, yeah, she knows. That's why these hoes blow on my ego. No one ain't sweet cause I keep hoes, I got niggas.
Then I'm gonna take my, what's the name? Absolute New York bronzer. And I am just going to bronze up my face.
No gas or nothing. I put the man on track, I'm running. All my bitches got ass and no stomach. She wanna kick it like she just punting. Shorty keep shaking that ass and I love it. I shoot my shot like a free throw. Young boy and I'm pulling.
Blush, I'm gonna take this one from Color Bar. Such a beautiful everyday kind of blush.
Got niggas that empty and reload. Got a key here cause the streets cold. My young bro keep a pissing like D-rolls.
I'm just gonna use my In Color highlighter. This is the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink lipstick in the shade 160 Mover. Let's see how it looks. Quickly did my lower lash line. I used the same deeper brown shade and I just used a little bit of mascara. I cannot find it right now, but it's from LA Colors. It's a really cheap white eyeliner. So anyways guys, this is what my makeup look is looking right now. I am so happy how it actually turned out. I hope you guys really find this video helpful. Everything will be mentioned in the description box below. Make sure to check that out. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.
Free throw, yeah, I'm ballin', I'm pulling the free hoes. Ballin' the shit, yeah, she knows. That's why they hoes blow on my